And this week on Great British Bake Off, we have 3 contestants. This is Taratoshi from Osaka, and Emily and Hidetoshi from Osaka, all competing for the prize of the best Yoshida baker.
Mommy, なんかさ、エミさ、どんどんさ、長くなってきてさ、ちょっと
I'm sorry, we speak English on the Great British Bake Off. Our viewers are in the United Kingdom.
Mommy,
ほらもうドライになってるからさ、早くやらないと。
I'm doing this longer bit, but it's dry, so it's starting to get smaller.
Oh, I see.
Look at this.
Look at that. Oh, we're having some incidents here. It's getting dry. Everybody, you have to bake faster. How is Hidetoshi doing with his bread? Bakers, you have 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Excuse me. No bread slapping in the kitchen, bakers. Bakers, concentrate. Okay, you'll be out of the tournament if you keep attacking the other contestants. Right, Taratoshi is disqualified. We're down to our 2 finalists. Oh, nice rolling, Emily. Nice. Hida rolling.
I'm making
You're making an A bread. Oh, that can be your signature dish, yes. It's bread week on the Great British Yoshida Bake Off. Oh no, somebody's eating it. And somebody else is playing with it. Oh dear. Oh dear.
It doesn't stop getting bigger.
You mean it's stretching?
No.
Stretching your dough.
This,
Emily's signature dish is a snail bread. Oh yeah, you could make a Danish. It only goes round and round.
Mommy.
A shrimp?
Yes.
アンパンマンブレッド作ればいいじゃん。皮を作れるでしょ。
Ah. Sorry, we only speak English at the Great British Bake Off, Toshi.
We can make アンパンマンブレ
Hey.
But it doesn't stop getting bigger.
It doesn't stop stretching. Oh, rolling.
ほらめっちゃいいこれ考えた。
They're rolling.
もっと作りたい。もっと大きくやりたい。
Sorry, English, please.
Mommy, can I have more?
Of course you can. You are. It's bread week on the Great Yoshida Bake Off.